Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all would be doing good. Do you know this expression just appeared in front of you? If no is the answer, then I'm going to explain it to you. It is an idiom that is used in Chinese language, and if someone is making lame excuses to win an argument, we use this idiom in that situation. चीनी ज़बान में हम एक मुहावरा इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो कि अभी आपके सामने नमूदार हुआ है स्क्रीन पर, और ये हम तब इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब कोई बहाने बनाता है कोई काम न करने के लिए. This expression or this idiom in Chinese language is 讲吃夺理. 讲吃夺理. 讲吃夺理 means to make excuses, lame excuses to win an argument. Now let's use it in Chinese sentences to make its use more clear, to make it more understandable. Let's use it in a dialogue. Person A is saying, पहला शख्स हम एक डायलॉग में एक मुकालमे में इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं, सो इसका इस्तेमाल आसान हो जाएगा. Person A, 你为什么没完成作业? Why didn't you finish your homework? तुमने अपना घर का काम मुकम्मल क्यों नहीं किया? 你 means you, 为什么 why. You, तुम, 为什么 why, क्यों. 没 didn't, नहीं. 完成 means to complete, 作业 means homework. 完成 means मुकम्मल करना, 作业 means घर का काम. Person B is replying, 昨天我很忙. 昨天我很忙. Yesterday I was busy. कल मैं मसरूफ था. 昨天 means yesterday, कल. 我 means I, 很 means very, ज़्यादा. 忙 means busy, masroof. Person A is saying, 这只是强词夺理. 这只是强词夺理. This is a lame excuse. ये एक बहाना है. This is how we are going to use this idiom in our daily use. Hope it helps. See you in the next interesting lecture about Chinese language. 再见, Allah Hafiz.